Hi Azad,
Hi.
how you doing?
Good.
What are you doing today?
Playing with a car.
Oh, check that out guys. It's on the roof. Oh! So this is the surprise, is it?
Yeah.
Whoa.
I've been waiting to open this for days.
Really? Check them out.
And there's a secret.
Really? There's a secret?
Find out later.
Really? So you've got some nice cars, helicopters and planes here, don't you? Are these some of your favorite
Yeah,
toys?
this one's Playmobil.
Mm-hmm.
There's wheels so it can just drive for a bit and then take off.
Wow.
And this can open so it can get all the people. There's a firefighter in there.
Let's see. Whoa. Get him out. Let's see who's in there. There's a pilot too.
Okay, I'll take one person out.
Check it out.
Dad,
Oh, he's a traveler.
Dad, I know this guy's an adult because the kids, Playmobil kids are very small. They're like Lara size.
Baby Lara.
Yeah.
Wow. So, let's see. So he's sitting in there, isn't he? And he's traveling. Oh, look, he's got coffee. He's got a travel bag. And who's the other guy? Let's see.
This guy's my favorite.
Check it out, guys.
Sometimes I play with some of the other Playmobil people, and it's cool. They go on emergencies and events.
And who's that guy over there? Who is he?
Or a firefighter going to
Let's
save
see.
people's lives.
Wow, he's
There's
traveling.
two firefighters with a fire truck.
Really? Let's see him. Take him out. I can't see his face.
Hey man.
Let's see. Whoa,
Do you know
check
what I
him
like
out.
about this guy?
What do you like about him?
I like the fire shots. You see, it's cool.
Let me
Look
see.
at his jumper.
Whoa, you're right, man.
Because it's warm.
And then we've got the pilot in here as well. Look at him.
Oh yeah, that
He's
guy.
busy, isn't he?
I won't take him out because you need to do a lot of stuff. Take this bit apart,
Yeah.
then get that guy. And
He's busy, isn't he?
This is cool. Look, you can slide on.
Whoa.
1, 2, 3. We're about to take off.
Woo. Whoa, check it out. Check it out, guys. Do you see that?
We're doing aerospace weather.
Woo. Oh my goodness.
Those bits were so fun. Those bits are fun. It goes like up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down.
Free fall. That's what it's called, free fall. When you go down way fast and then you feel like you're flying in the plane. That's called free fall. But only some planes can do that safely.
Can jets do it?
I think they can, yeah.
Do you think this one can?
Yeah, I think if the pilot's ready and they're trained, of course they can. So what have you got?
They train in these little cabinets, little cabinets or like playing areas.
Really? So, what else do you have to show
I
us,
have this
Azad?
helicopter.
Let me see.
So, the doors can open.
Wow, check it
The
out.
door open. There's it's a hospital plane.
Oh
And
yeah.
it can drive like that and then it can take off.
So it's a medical helicopter, isn't it?
And you see the light blinking. And then you can do this like a washing machine. So when it's like that.
Wow, does it make any sounds?
Yeah.
Oh, check it out.
It's like they said, water bar packer, get some packets from Aldi.
Get some packets from Aldi.
Yeah, I thought it was like that.
Packets of food. Some snacks.
Yeah.
Some juice.
Yeah. And these bits are safe. Yeah.
Wow, it's really cool.
This one.
What's that?
So
Let's see.
this.
Ooh. A police car.
Yep. And look what this part is.
Whoa,
I
whoa.
opened the boot over here, look.
Check it out, guys.
So, press this.
Oh, wow. And what's in the boot? Oh, there's some... Oh, let's see. Some police stuff is in there.
There's 2
Nice.
ropes and like a suitcase and stuff. And petrol.
Oh, I love it. Really?
Yeah.
What sounds does it make? Press it again. It's got a lot of lights. Wow, I love it. Turn around, let's see.
And if it's about crashing, you can't stop yourself. This bit's saying
Whoa, look at the lights, guys. Check it. Woo! I love that one. I love that one. Oh, I love it.
Last but not least, we've got the Batmobile.
Woo! The Batmobile, check
This
it.
is a Batmobile.
Oh! Oh!
I'll get those later. And you put the guns onto here.
Really, at the
and
front?
Here. Yeah.
Oh, in the middle and the front.
Yeah. And the back.
Wow, let's try that. Let's try that.
Welcome to Batman.
Oh, hi
Hey
Batman.
guys.
Look at you.
You can get out.
Oh, you were in there all that time?
No, not really. We play with it.
Let's see. Oh, he looks cool. Hold him up, hold him up. He looks tall. Yeah.
These kind of figures are all like different kinds of Barbies and
Mm-hmm.
stuff.
Mhm.
They're dolls.
Let me see. Turn him around. Can he jump high? What can he do? Let's see. Oh, wow, look, he can move his arms and legs.
Even his head, we can't do this.
Let's see. Oh my goodness, his head can flip around. Let me see his head.
We can't do that. We can
Do it again without your hand there. Flip it around. Oh my goodness, look, he can flip his head the whole way around. Ah, that's scary. Can it go all the way around?
You mean like,
Yeah, yeah,
left and right?
yeah, there, do it from the top. Oh my goodness, check his head, guys, check his head. It's going all the way around. Ah! Oh my goodness, that's crazy.
Like a robot.
Right, how do you put him back in there then? Tuck him in a bit.
Yeah, let's keep him like.
And and these are the weapons, right?
Oh yeah.
Wow, can we see those shoot again? Oh, check it out.
Need to make sure it's really tight.
Oh my goodness. Oh. So, Azad, today you've shown us the Batmobile, the police car, the medical helicopter, and the Playmobil jet. Check it out, guys.
Jets are smaller because they're for just one whole rich family.
So, Azad, if I asked you which one is your most favorite out of these four, is it A, the Batmobile,
No,
B, the police car,
no.
C, the medical helicopter, or D, the Playmobil jet? Which one would you pick?
Try and guess.
Right. You already said it's not the Batmobile. You already said it's not the police car. So it's between these two, isn't it? It's between the medical helicopter and the plane. I'm thinking. I think it is the helicopter?
No.
Ah, it was the plane, wasn't
And
it?
now,
It was the jet. What else do you have?
a car that can drive up walls.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, let me see it first. Check it out. I didn't know it could do that. How do you do it?
Okay, I'm gonna try. So the remote's on,
Mm-hmm.
then it's gonna be loud.
Put it on that wall. Oh my goodness, check it out. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Go real high. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, check it out. Real high. And go up. Let's see how high it can go. Go all the way up. All the way up. Oh, look. It's rotating around. Check that out, man. Woo! How high it is, guys. Whoa. Woo! Oh my goodness. It's on the wall, isn't it? Where is it now? Oh, it's on the roof. Check that out, guys. You see this? Look at him. He's using his remote. Check where it is now, guys. Oh my goodness. Woo! Oh. Check that out, guys. It's on the roof. Oh! Now, guys, where is it now, Azad? Oh my goodness, look. It's all the way above the stairs. Look at that. Look at that. Woo! Oh my goodness.
It's a magnetic car.
Check it out, guys. You see this? Woo! It's coming all the way down, man. Look at that. Check it out, guys. Whoa! So, Azad, thank you for showing us some of your favorite cars, including that amazing little car right here.
This one's magnetic, that one I can drive.
Yeah, that one was the best one.
These are not real wheels, these are magnetic wheels.
Really?
And those are also one wheel make a drive. They're hiding in there. One there, one there.
All right.
So those are just fake.
That's why they're like that. Man, you know what? I tell you one thing. I love this little one because this little one was my favorite because it just flew onto the walls. It went all the way there.
It can go on the roof.
It-
You
yeah.
Put it on the roof because if you just go from up the corners, it will just like fall down.
That's right. Well, it even went on the ceiling. It went over there in the corner. It went to the landing area over the stairs. It was amazing.
It can even go on doors and cupboards. It can go on anything really.
Yeah, so
It can even go on that gap.
that's right. So, because of that, my favorite definitely was this little flying car here. But to be honest with you, I like all of them. I like the Batmobile because it looks really cool and Batman looks amazing. I like the police car because it's just so flashy. It makes great sounds. It's got great lights. It's just
looks
amazing.
cool.
It looks real cool, man. I like the helicopter here, the medical helicopter, because it just looks great. The color's great. The doors are great. The blades, the way they just rotate, amazing. Actually, let's try that again one more time.
Okay, which button do you want to press? Low or down?
Your choice. 3, 2, 1, go.
This one's fine.
Check it out. See what I mean? I love it. I love it. Oh, and back to the Batmobile. The other thing was amazing about it is the weapons. So the helicopter's great, and I like the Playmobil jet because it's got some great figures in there. It looks great.
Upside down plane, emergency, emergency.
Yeah, so basically I like all of them. But I know, Azad, you said your favorite was the Playmobil jet. That one, right? This one. So, thank you, Azad. Is that it?
No.
Really?
Yeah.
What, you've got more for us? What do you mean? What's going on? What's going on here, man? Huh? Tell me. Oh, what's this?
My latest car.
So, this is the surprise, is it?
Yeah, and
Whoa.
I've been like waiting to open this for like days.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, okay. Let's...
Nearly every day I've been asking now.
Really?
After I just saw.
Well, the day's finally arrived then, but let's make a deal. So guys, this car is amazing, but we're gonna open this up for part 2 of Azad's favorite cars. So join us for part 2 in 3, 2, 1. Bye, Azad.
Bye.
See you in part 2. Woo!